Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detail Intensive YouTube channel, and this is part 2 of the van build. In the last video you saw sort of like, me introducing the van and what this series is all about. This is the first step. So the first video is basically going to be ripping out all the sort of like lining, and we're just going to give everything a good clean, so in the back here and then in the cab as well. So it's not too bad, but yeah, it does need cleaning up. We're going to steam it, we're going to wet vac all the seats and everything, and then after we've cleaned it and it's all dry, we're going to insulate everything, so the floor, the walls, and then the roof will be done as well. Just to keep that heat in over the winter times and things like that. So yeah, the first job is to take the lining off, and then we'll start cleaning. So I'll start the time lapse now, and then I'll come back and I'll explain what I'm going to do with the steaming and the cleaning and all that. Okay, so now the van's all sort of like stripped out with all that ply line. What we're going to do, we're going to clean all the back and steam it all to make sure it's fresh for when we put all our sort of like flooring equipment in. So let's fill the steamer up, and then we'll start steaming and making sure it's all clean. Okay, so now the van is all cleaned inside. You've just seen that time lapse, and it's come up quite well. There was some sort of like waxy stuff on the floor, some blue stuff, but that has all come off, so that's good. So now the next step is to get the insulation in. So we're doing that on the sides. We will be doing it on the roof, and then on the floor as well, to finish off. And then after that, we'll put the flooring in. We'll put the skin back on the sides, and then it'll be ready for in a few days' time when Adam from the House of Madder carpets the roof and puts some lights in for us. So I'm going to go to another time lapse now of me fitting the insulation. Okay, so that's the van all cleaned in the back bit, wiped down, and then yeah, I've insulated it all. So I'm going to end the video here just because I don't want these videos to get too long. So yeah, just to recap on today's video, what we've done, we've steamed all the rear of the van, cleaned that out, and before that we took the ply lining off, and yeah, we cleaned everything we can, and then after it's dried we put the insulation down, and we've covered everything we can really, so the floor, the sides, even the doors, and the roof as well, and yeah, that's pretty much what we've got done. It did take about a full day to do this, so yeah, just in case people are wondering sort of like the time frame it took. I know it's been a lot of sort of like time lapses, but these videos, that's all they're going to be pretty much, just to sort of like show you the process. Yeah, there's not going to be much talking to them. So the next video next week will be well, we're going to House of Madder, and Adam's going to install some cabling for the LED lights that we're putting inside, and he's going to carpet the roof for us, just so it hides all that cabling and hides this insulation. So yeah, make sure you tune in next week for that video, and also in that video what I'll be doing is we'll wet vac and steam the cab area. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this series so far. Let us know in the comments for, well, whether you do anything differently, or yeah, just what you think of the van so far. Cheers, and we'll see you next week.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!